Your girl is back after being sick for almost 3 days and rotting in bed. To be honest, in my last video itself, I could tell that I'm gonna fall sick, and guess what? I did. My last 3 days, I honestly wouldn't even wish that on my worst enemy because it was bad. I was in my bed the whole time. I couldn't move out of my bed. I couldn't walk. I couldn't deliver a single sentence without sluttering and doing this. Literally, this is all I've did for the past 2 days. It got so bad to a point that I had to rush to the doctor next day. And the fact that the doctor's clinic is just 5 to 10 minutes away, like a walk from my house, but I still had to take an auto to reach there, tells how much worse my condition was. There, I got prescribed an IV, 5 days of medicine, and then and there injection. And she told me if I don't recover within 2 days, I have to take a blood test. But touch wood, I did recover. Not gonna lie, I'm still a little tired. I still have some headache, but we have to study. Like, I can't skip studying for so many days. My point of telling you all is that it's monsoon. It's high time we start caring for our own health. Make sure you've got your fluids in. Make sure you eat healthy and don't ignore any symptoms. If you feel that you're ill, make sure you go visit a doctor. What I want you all to do right after watching this video is go and gargle with salt and water. Just do it, please. Okay, enough of talking. I think I'm going to take my medicine now and we will sit down for studying. I don't know what I'm going to study, but let's see. As you can see right here, chills, cough, and cold, and my pulse rate was also super high. So, yeah, 5 days worth of medicine. It is now about to get 12:40 and I'm done studying geography. I was actually not feeling geography. I don't want to study much, so I made some notes and then I read most of the material. Yesterday I also ordered myself a Powerade. Yes, I went from drinking flavors of Red Bull, Diet Coke and ice cold coffees to now drinking vitamin C tablets, Glucon D, Powerade and ORS. Life really makes you experience everything. This is not that bad, okay, because I've had this before. I remember this tasting good, but I don't know, I haven't had it since a really long time. But let's try it now. Cheers. Now it's really sweet. How is it so sweet? It says it contains non-caloric sweetener. It's nice. My brother would probably really like this. I'm not a fan of Gatorade and stuff, but he likes it, so I think he would like it better than me. Not gonna lie though, this would slap and taste so good if it was like chilled and very cold. But I have fell sick once, and I don't want to fall sick again. So yeah, this will do. Also, before I start studying, I just want to show you all this. I have collected all the pens which I have been using since the past 2 months, and these are all finished by the way. They have no ink in them, and of course, all of them are grippers. If you have been on this channel for a long time now, you know that this is like my go to pen. I have four more kept on my study table all the time. Two are blue, two are black, and recently I also got one of these pen pack. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video. I genuinely like grippers and they are very comfortable to write with, very smooth. I highly recommend if you haven't tried one out. If I ever tell you to grab me a pen, you know which one to get me. Enough of my yapping. Let's sit down for studying.